Dada has the kitty. Happy birthday, kitty, to Nia.
Nanny.
Do you want to open the door, Nia?
Yeah.
Come on. Mommy can open it. We're waiting for the kitty.
Dad.
Daddy and Papa and Jonathan have Nia's new kitty.
She knows the kitty's coming.
Hi.
There's a happy
you're
birthday,
excited.
kitty.
Look what John got.
Daddy's got the kitty.
Hey, close the door.
Okay, close the door. Okay, Nia, go over by Jonathan. You can see the kitty. Go see your kitty.
Oh.
Nia, look it.
Nia, over here.
Hi, kitty. Show Nia.
Okay, let me see too. I want to
Let
videotape
Auntie
it.
take a picture. Oh, what a
Nia,
cutie.
you want to pet your kitty? You want to give the kitty a kiss? A kiss hello? Aww.
Aw.
Very nice. Do you like your kitty, Nia? You like him? What are you going to name him? What do you want to name kitty? Nia? What do you think we should name him, Jonathan?
He's kissing you. Oh, he's going to be a good kitty.
Don't
Look how
know.
good he is already.
Probably Blake.
Blake?
Blake, that is a cute name, isn't it?
Nia, what should we name the kitty?
You want to make him Oreo?
What do you want to name the kitty?
Oreo?
Oreo?
Look at him.
Oreo
So
Mustang.
comfortable.
Yeah. What there, buddy?
Oreo Mustang.
Oreo Mustang?
He is so comfortable, isn't he?
Hi, Papa.
Want to check
Hi.
things out?
Look how comfortable he is.
Hi, oh, I like his collar.
Yeah.
Say hi, kitty.
Boy, he's not one to take right off and hide.
Whoop. Oh, for me. Thank you, honey.
He's not a hider.
You want to see the kitty, Nia?